Hello, guys. Welcome to the Parrot Puzzler. It's the 12th of June. It's madness. Where is all the time going? It's crazy. I hope you had a good week. The weather this week's been amazing. I think it hasn't rained, has it? I don't think it's rained. Lots of sunshine. All I know is my runner beans are growing really well. They've grown about 2 foot this week, which is fantastic. Um, yeah. Anyway, I hope you've all recovered from the Jubilee. It was a fantastic weekend. We had really busy pubs, which was good. So thank you to everybody that came and visited us. I'm not going to lie, it was nice to have a bit of an easier week this week because I was a bit tired on Sunday night last week. So yeah, Dolphin has a new menu coming out next Friday, I think. So check the website then to find out the new menu. We've got a new menu coming here in a couple of weeks for the summer. Yeah, so we're really sort of gearing up for summer now. Probably best to book if you want to come, especially at the weekends. Both pubs are very busy at the weekends, so pop on the website and go and book your table there. It's the easiest way to do it. Also, whilst you're on the computer, you can go to YouTube, subscribe to the Parrot Puzzler, like it, share it, follow it. Yeah, that would be fantastic if you could do that too. But we'll crack on with today's quiz. Standard 20 questions. You know the drill. We'll get on with it. Question 1. What is the longest river in Scotland? Question 2. Gary Delaney is a comedian. I should have started off with that bit. Comedian Gary Delaney is married to which female comedian? Question 3. The Stonewall riots happened in which city? Question 4. Mount Rushmore, depicting 4 American presidents carved in stone, is in which US state? Question 5. Which group has had hits with November Rain, Knocking on Heaven's Door, and Paradise City? Question 6. What was the currency of Belgium before it joined the euro in 2002? Question 7. On which tube line would you find the stations Chiswick Park, Putney Bridge, and Hornchurch? Question 8. Tony Stark is the alter ego for which superhero? Question 9. Frozen food producer Walls is 100 years old this year, but what was their first food product? Question 10. In which country would you find the Gold Coast? Question 11. What is a baby ferret called? Question 12. In which decade of the 1800s did Mrs. Beeton's first book come out? Question 13. What flavour is the alcoholic liqueur Midori? Question 14. What was the sweet that you can eat between meals? Question 15. From which country does Roquefort cheese come? Question 16. Who is the original presenter of the TV show Catchphrase? Question 17. What is the capital city of the Philippines? Question 18. In which decade was the hovercraft invented? Question 19. How or where would you wear a Gatsby? And question 20. Who is the current Transport Secretary? That's it. That's your 20 questions, guys. All done. I like today's quiz. A really nice mix of questions. Let's find out how you're done. Question one: what is the longest river in Scotland? That's the River Tay. Question two: comedian Gary Delaney is married to which female comedian? That's Sarah Milligan. Question three: the Stonewall riots happened in which city? So they happened in New York. Question four: Mount Rushmore, depicting four American presidents carved into stone, is in which US state? That's in South Dakota. Question five: which group has had hits with November Rain, Knocking on Heaven's Door, and Paradise City? That is Guns N' Roses. I had to double check my answer then. My mind went blank. Question six: what was the currency of Belgium before it joined the euro in 2002? It was the Belgian franc. Question seven: on which tube line would you find the stations Chiswick Park, Putney Bridge, and Hornchurch? They are all on the District line. Question eight: Tony Stark is the alter ego for which superhero? He is Iron Man. Question nine: frozen food producer Walls is 100 years old this year. But what was their first food product? It was sausages. Question 10: in which country would you find the Gold Coast? That's on the east coast of Australia. Question 11: what is a baby ferret called? That is called a kit. Question 12: in which decade of the 1800s did Mrs. Beeton's first book come out? So it came out in 1861. So the 60s, I guess, would have been right. 1861. But like researching this question, she only lived for 29 years. You think how famous she is and how many books she's had. And she was only 29 years old. That's crazy. Question 13. What flavour is the alcoholic liqueur Maduri? That's melon. Question 14. What was the sweet that you can eat between meals? It was the Milky Way. Question 15. Which country does Roquefort cheese come from? It comes from France. Question 16. Who was the original presenter of the TV show Catchphrase? It was Roy Walker. Question 17. What is the capital city of the Philippines? That is Manila. Question 18. In which decade was the hovercraft invented? That was in the 50s. In 55 to be exact. I think it was around in Suffolk somewhere, was it? I'm not entirely sure. Question 19. How or where would you wear a Gatsby? So that is a hat, you'd wear it on your head. And question 20. Who is the current Transport Secretary? That's Grant Shapps. For how much longer, we don't know. I'm not going to get into politics on here. Anyway, that's your 20 questions, guys. And, well, your 20 answers as well. Let me know how you got on. Scores and comments below. Give us a like, give us a follow. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, please. And share with your friends. I still haven't fixed the date for the next pub quizzes. However, I do have a special host for the quiz in August because I will be busy, hopefully, with work. So it will just take a little bit of pressure off me. So we will have a quiz in July. We'll have one in August. But in August, it will be hosted by someone special. That's it, guys. I'll be back next Sunday. And don't forget to listen to ABC Radio, where you can catch a whole nother Parrot Puzzler on a Sunday morning at around 9:30. That's it. Cheers, guys. Bye.